Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0. And for my dear guys, for my dear audience, in this video I will describe some different and much beautiful ideas of recycled scrap metal art and different designs. So my dear guys, when we talk about recycled scrap metal art and different design, then different questions arise in our mind, like as what is recycled metal art, or how scrap metal are recycled, or what is scrap metal descriptive part, or what is made with recycled metal. So my dear guys, when we talk about recycled metal art, what it is, the beauty of scrap metal art lies in taking something old, breaking it down and totally transforming it into something completely new. So scrap metal pieces are currently being sold for thousands of pounds, making scrap artistry and sculpture highly lucrative. So how scrap metal are recycled? After sorting, metal recyclables are sent to a machine that is known as a shredder. So the shredder will break down the sheets and pieces of metal and turn even the largest pieces of metal into manageable component. Next, the metal pieces are purified and melted under very intense heat. So, if we talk about scrap metal, and put simply, scrap metal is a combination of waste metal, metallic material, and any product that contains metal that is capable of being recycled from previous consumption or product manufacturing. So, what is made with recycled metal? Furniture pieces and office supplies can all be made from recycled scrap metal. So the component needed for vehicle, ships, and aircraft can likewise be created from the same recycled scrap metal. So another notable application of recycled scrap metal is the construction of structure and buildings. So, what is the purpose of recycled art? This type of art seeks to transform waste such as paper, cardboard, wood, glass, plastic, metals, and rubber into work of art. So, the concept therefore goes beyond the conventional recycling of materials by creating objects that exceed the economic, cultural, and social value of the original product. So, what is scrap art? Scrap art is an exploration of how materials inspire creativity. The artists who come to scrap use all manner of material in their work, taking advantage of the unending supply of materials, both traditional and non traditional, that pass through scrap. So, how is the matter recycled when we talk about in a step by step condition? First of all, sorting. After the scrap metal has been collected, it is categorized by kind. Shredding, sorting is followed by processing and also melting, and the scrap metal is ready to be melted down after shredding and processing and decontamination also. Then after the metal has become liquid, it is essentially cleaned and make different craft and designs ideas. So what are the benefit of recycling metal? Divert waste from landfill. Metal does not biodegrade quickly, if at all. So it's important to ensure metal does not end up in landfill and reduce energy use. The creation of virgin metal materials uses for more energy than using recycled metal and protect natural resources also. So, what type of metal are recycled? The most frequently recycled metal are aluminium, brass, bronze, cast iron, copper, steel, and tin. So, metal recycling of both ferrous and non ferrous metals has many benefits. It is beneficial for the environment. When recycling it means less extraction of raw materials is required, which helps to reduce carbon emissions. So, why is scrap metal used? Using scrap metal, also known as secondary raw material, means less use of precious natural resources which would be needed to make a new metal compound, such as iron ore is steel making, nickel and stainless steel, alumina and bauxite in aluminium smelting also. So what is the composition of scrap metal? Scrap metal, my dear guys, use metal that are an important source of industrial metal and alloys, particularly in the production of steel, copper, lead, aluminium, and zinc. Smaller amount of tin, nickel, magnesium, and precious metal are also recovered from scrap. So, my dear guys, what are recycled metal used for? Much of the scrap metal that is recycled in the United States goes into the manufacturing of completely new items such as appliances or building materials, manufacturing and construction project, food packaging, furniture, art in the form of scrap metal. So, is recycled metal strong? Is absolutely the key lies within the two main method of recycling metal, which center around adding carbon while removing impurities to create a finished product that is just as good as its raw material. So, what are some facts about recycled metal? 6 metal recycling steel is the most recycled material in North America, and recycling aluminium uses less energy, and metal recycling is fast. So, the United States recycles different categorical positions, and metal recycling reduces air pollution. So, aluminium and tin cans will stick around for decades or longer. So, who invented recycle art, my dear guys? As part of his involvement with the Dada, Dutch chimp created one of the most famous pieces of recycled art in history in 1970. He took a ceramic urinal from a bathroom, signed it, and displayed it as a pot, calling it a fountain. So, how to create recycled art? Cut a piece of cardboard into a rectangle or a square. Collect recycled materials as cut out different shapes to create an image or design. So glue down your shape and let it dry. Place a piece of thin paper on top of your design. So use a crayon or oil pastel on its side and color your piece of paper. So, what is called metal art? Metal art is a versatile and captivating form of artistic expression that involves working with various metals such as iron, steel, aluminium, or bronze to create visually stunning artwork. So, my dear guys, my these recycling scrap metal ideas inspired you much, and if inspired, then subscribe my channel and like my video and share my video with your affectionate love. So, thank you very much, guys, for watching my video, and once again, thank you very much.